The world of FPV, first-person view, has always felt like an exclusive club. For years, if you wanted that visceral, bird's-eye feeling of soaring through the mountains or weaving through abandoned buildings, you had to be a tinkerer. You had to understand soldering, radio frequencies, and you definitely had to have deep pockets. But today, the walls of that club are being torn down. DJI just dropped a bomb on the market, and it's called the Goggles N3. If you've been sitting on the sidelines, waiting for a sign to jump into the cockpit, this is it. The Goggles N3 isn't just an entry-level accessory. It is a strategic masterstroke designed to bring immersive flight to the masses. Whether you're a professional looking for a reliable backup or a complete beginner who just bought a DJI Neo or an Avata 2, you need to understand exactly what is happening here. This is a $229 ticket to a perspective that was, until now, reserved for those willing to spend $1,000. Today, we are going deeper than any spec sheet, to find out why the N3 is the most important piece of hardware DJI has released this year. Let's talk about the philosophy of accessibility. Usually, when a tech giant releases a budget version of a flagship product, they strip away the soul of the device. They give you a lower resolution screen, a bulky build, or outdated transmission tech. But with the N3, DJI did the opposite. They looked at the pain points of the high-end Goggles 3 and asked, how can we make this more comfortable for everyone? The first thing you'll notice, and the thing that has the USA drone community talking, is the design. This is a roomy headset. For the millions of us who wear glasses, the FPV struggle is real. Traditionally, you either had to jam your glasses into the goggles, buy expensive custom diopter inserts, or just fly blurry. The Goggles N3 deletes that problem. The interior is spacious enough to accommodate your personal eyewear comfortably. No adjustments, no extra lenses, no hassle. You put them on and you're flying. It sounds simple, but in the field, this is a revolutionary quality of life upgrade. But what about the visuals? You're probably thinking, it's $229, the screen must be trash. Wrong. DJI packed a full 1080p ultra-wide LCD screen into this unit. While the Goggles 3 uses micro OLED, the N3's single-panel LCD offers something the flagship doesn't: a massive 54-degree field of view. When you put these on, you aren't just looking at a screen. You are being swallowed by the horizon. The 16:9 aspect ratio and the sheer scale of the image create a level of immersion that actually feels more cinematic than the tighter, more clinical view of the OLED models. It's like the difference between a high-end monitor and an IMAX theater. One is technically perfect, but the other is undeniably bigger. Under the hood, the N3 is powered by the DJI 04 transmission system. This is the same technology found in the Avata 2 and the DJI Neo, and it is the current gold standard for digital video transmission. We are talking about a latency as low as 31 milliseconds. In the world of FPV, latency is everything. If the video lags for even 1/10 of a second while you're moving at 60 miles per hour, you're hitting a tree. The 04 system ensures that what you see is what is happening in real time. With a bitrate of 60 megabits per second and a range that covers miles, the N3 provides a rock-solid connection that used to cost a fortune.